Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, click the notification channel for more updates. Thank you. Today guys, we announce the sad news of the well-known two artists Babette Gauchwesen and Nova Weistal. It is said that they were involved in a tragic accident. Unfortunately, Nova couldn't make it. May his soul rest in peace. Re tla dula re gopola ge lehlaba le ge le dikela ka dikoša tša gago tše bose. And condolences to his family, friends, and fans. As for Babette Gauchwesen, speedy recovery, my brother. May God give you strength, power to fight wherever you are.
I got a chan chang hoo cha cha. Nalle wana riba kile nik chaba hai swaga. Nivare unchale yeah. Every day was only molly. Flip a kichari gari tari.
Allegedly, on the other side, fans and followers of Nova, Babette, and other artists went to the Pebble Decoded page on TikTok. They commented and said, "Okar, this room is cursed. Ina le bothata. Why every artist owe atla go mo o ba le bothata or o ba involved in an accident?" Allegedly, guys. First, it was Baswellam Fan, secondly Quintech, now Nova. Alright guys, please do like, comment, click the notification channel for more update, and please guys subscribe.